The VNOST Car Vacuum VNV-3 features an impressively powerful suction capability, reaching up to 24,000 pascals, making it highly effective for cleaning various types of dust and debris. This versatile vacuum is equipped with 9 nozzle attachments that allow it to function not only as a vacuum but also as a blower, inflator, and extractor, catering to a wide range of needs. It is powered by a 6,000 milliampere-hour rechargeable battery, providing up to 30 minutes of continuous operation on the lowest setting, and can be quickly recharged using the included Type-C cable. Designed with portability in mind, the VNOST Car Vacuum is compact and lightweight, featuring an organizer bag for easy storage and a transparent dust collection bin for convenient maintenance. The vacuum includes a replaceable and washable HEPA filter, ensuring that even the finest dust particles are effectively captured and preventing any clogging issues. VNOST is committed to excellent customer service, aiming to enhance the car cleaning experience for all users with their well-designed products.